English Wellness Podcast.
Learn English and live well.
I remember this one moment. I was standing at Heathrow Airport. My flight was delayed. I was tired, hungry, and honestly a little nervous. Then the airline staff called me to the counter and asked something simple, really simple. Do you have your boarding pass? And my brain just froze. I knew the answer. It was yes. Of course it was yes. The boarding pass was literally in my hand, but my mouth didn't move. I just stood there, silent. And after a few seconds, she looked annoyed and said, "Sir?" And in that moment, I felt so small, so stupid. Like, why can't I just say one word?
That feeling is more common than you think.
It's crazy, right? One word, just yes, and I couldn't say it.
Because it's not just a word, it's confidence, it's timing, it's fear. And today, we're going to fix that. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Mia, your host.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're studying, commuting, or just relaxing, thanks for spending some time with us.
Today feels personal.
It really does, because yes and no sentences, they sound simple, but they control your daily life in English.
Yeah, like if you can't say yes or no naturally, everything becomes awkward.
Exactly. Job interviews, travel, meeting people, everything.
So today, we're not just learning words, we're building real-life confidence.
Let's start very simple. The most basic answers. Yes. No.
Okay, that's easy.
It is, but here's the truth. Native speakers almost never say only yes or no.
Wait, really?
Yes, saying only yes can feel cold or even rude.
Oh, that explains a lot.
So instead, we make it a little warmer, a little more human. For example, yes, I do. No, I don't.
Ah, that already sounds better.
Try it with me. Yes, I do.
Say it slowly. Yes, I do.
Now you. Good. That's clean. Now the negative. No, I don't.
Try this one. No, I don't.
Again.
Nice. You're doing great.
Let's put this into a real situation. Imagine someone asks you, "Do you work here?"
Okay.
If yes, you say, "Yes, I do."
And if not, no, I don't.
Simple, but powerful.
It already feels more natural than just yes or no.
Exactly. And this is just the beginning. Let's move to daily life. Imagine you're at a coffee shop in London.
Okay, I like this situation. The barista asks, "Would you like sugar?"
Oh, I've heard that before. If yes, don't just say yes. Say, "Yes, please."
Oh, polite.
Very polite and natural.
Let me try. Yes, please.
Nice. One more time, smoother.
Yes, please.
Perfect. Now, if no, no, thank you.
That sounds classy.
It is, and it shows respect.
Let me try that too. No, thank you.
Good. Again, a little softer.
No, thank you.
That's it. These small changes, they make a huge difference.
Honestly, yeah. It feels like real English now.
Because it is. Now, let's go deeper. Imagine you meet someone new at a small party.
Okay, social anxiety activated.
They smile and ask, "Are you from here?"
Hmm.
If yes, you can say, "Yes, I am."
Simple.
But we can make it more natural. "Yes, I am. I live nearby."
Oh, adding more information.
Exactly. This is how conversations grow.
So it's not just answer, it's connection.
Beautifully said. Try this. "Yes, I am. I live nearby."
Say it. Yes, I am. I live nearby.
Good. Now imagine you're not from there. "No, I'm not. I'm visiting."
That sounds smooth.
Try it.
No, I'm not. I'm visiting.
Perfect. You see what's happening?
Yeah, I'm not just answering, I'm talking.
Exactly. And that's where confidence begins.
This actually feels exciting.
Good, because now we're going into something bigger, job interviews.
Oh no, pressure.
Yes, but also opportunity. Imagine this. You're sitting in an office in New York. The interviewer looks at you and asks, "Do you have experience in accounting?"
Okay, serious question.
If yes, don't just say yes. Say, "Yes, I do. I have 3 years of experience."
That sounds strong.
Because it is. Try it.
Yes, I do. I have 3 years of experience.
Again, with confidence.
Yes, I do. I have 3 years of experience.
That's powerful. Now, if no, don't panic. This is where most people fail.
Yeah, they just say no and it feels bad.
Exactly. Instead, say, "No, I don't, but I'm willing to learn."
Oh, that's smart.
That one sentence can change everything.
Let me try. No, I don't, but I'm willing to learn.
Again, smoother.
No, I don't, but I'm willing to learn.
Perfect. You didn't just say no, you showed attitude.
Yeah, it feels positive.
And that's the goal. Now, let's move to travel again. Imagine you're checking into a hotel.
Okay, I'm ready this time.
The receptionist asks, "Do you have a reservation?"
Easy. Yes, I do.
Good, but we can go further.
Yes, I do. It's under Leo.
Oh, that sounds real. Try it.
Yes, I do. It's under Leo.
Nice. Now, if something goes wrong, "No, I don't. I think there's a mistake."
That sounds calm.
Exactly. Not aggressive, just clear.
Let me say it. No, I don't. I think there's a mistake.
Perfect. You're building real-world English now.
Honestly, yeah. I feel different already.
That's because you're not memorizing, you're living it.
Okay, that hit deep.
Good, because we're not done yet. Let's make it more natural, more human. Native speakers often add emotion.
Like what?
For example, "Yeah," instead of "yes."
Oh, yeah, I hear that all the time.
Exactly. "Yeah, I do."
That sounds relaxed.
Try it.
Yeah, I do.
Good. And for no, "Nope."
That sounds fun.
It is informal. Use it with friends. Let me try.
Nope.
Nice. But remember, not in interviews.
Yeah, imagine saying nope in a job interview. That's risky.
Exactly. Context matters. Now let's build slightly longer sentences. Add reasons.
Okay, this is getting interesting.
Someone asks you, "Do you like coffee?"
I do.
So say, "Yes, I do, because it helps me wake up."
That sounds natural.
Try it.
Yes, I do, because it helps me wake up.
Perfect. Now negative, "No, I don't. I prefer tea."
Oh, I like that. No, I don't. I prefer tea.
Good. You're not just answering, you're expressing yourself.
Yeah, it feels like I'm actually talking to someone.
Exactly. And here's something important. Don't worry about mistakes.
Yeah, seriously, this is normal.
Every fluent speaker started like this.
Even that airport moment, I wish I knew this earlier.
But now you do.
Yeah, now I do.
And so do you listening right now. Keep going. You're doing better than you think.
Way better.
In the next part, we're going deeper.
More natural?
More confident, more advanced.
Okay, now I'm excited.
Good. Stay with us.
And hey, if this is helping you, give it a like.
And subscribe to the channel.
Because we're just getting started.
Trust me, your English is about to change.
Let's go. Okay, I'm ready, but also a little scared.
That's a good sign.
Really?
Yeah, it means you care. And when you care, you improve faster.
All right, let's do this.
Now we move from simple answers to confident, natural English.
Like how people actually speak?
Exactly, not textbook English, real-life English.
Okay, hit me.
Imagine you're in a meeting at work.
Serious mode again.
Your manager asks, "Can you finish this report by Friday?"
Pressure question.
If yes, don't just say yes. Say, "Yes, I can. I'll have it ready by Friday."
Oh, that sounds reliable.
Exactly, you sound responsible.
Let me try. Yes, I can. I'll have it ready by Friday.
Again, with a bit more confidence.
Yes, I can. I'll have it ready by Friday.
That's strong. Now, what if the truth is no?
Yeah, that's harder.
And this is where most people panic.
100%.
But listen carefully. Never just say no in a professional situation.
So what do we do?
We soften it. I'm afraid I can't, but I can finish it by Monday.
Oh, wow, that sounds polite and smart.
Exactly, you're still helpful.
Let me say it. I'm afraid I can't, but I can finish it by Monday.
Perfect. That's advanced communication.
Yeah, this feels like real-world survival English.
That's the goal. Now, let's go into something more emotional.
Emotional?
Yeah, moments where your tone matters. Imagine a friend asks you, "Are you okay?"
Deep.
If you are okay, you might say, "Yeah, I'm okay."
Simple.
But if you want to sound more open, "Yeah, I'm okay, just a bit tired."
That feels real.
Try it.
Yeah, I'm okay. Just a bit tired.
Good. Now, if you're not okay, you can say, "No, not really,"
That sounds honest.
and gentle.
Let me try. No, not really.
Again, softer.
No, not really.
Perfect. You see, English is not just words, it's emotion.
Yeah, I can feel that now.
Good. Now let's push a bit further. We'll add linking words.
Like and, but, because?
Exactly. Someone asks, "Do you want to join us for dinner?"
Okay.
If yes, you can say, "Yes, I'd love to."
Oh, that sounds friendly.
Very natural.
Let me try. Yes, I'd love to.
Good. Now make it longer. "Yes, I'd love to, but I'll be a bit late."
Oh, that's useful. Yes, I'd love to, but I'll be a bit late.
Perfect. Now, if no, "I'd love to, but I can't."
That sounds polite.
Always soften rejection.
Let me try. I'd love to, but I can't.
Good. Add a reason.
I'd love to, but I can't because I have work.
That feels complete.
I'd love to, but I can't because I have work.
Excellent. You're now speaking like a real person.
Finally.
Now, let's revisit your airport story.
Oh no, flashbacks.
But this time, you're ready. The staff asks, "Do you have your boarding pass?"
Easy now. Yes, I do. Here it is.
That's it.
Wow, that feels so different from before.
Because now you have control.
Yeah, that fear is gone.
That's the transformation.
This is actually powerful.
And we're not done yet. Let's go into small talk.
The scary part.
Not anymore. Someone asks, "Do you come here often?"
Classic.
If yes, "Yeah, I do. I really like this place."
Smooth. Yeah, I do. I really like this place.
Good. If no, "No, not really. It's my first time."
That's easy. No, not really. It's my first time.
Perfect. You're now handling conversations naturally.
I feel it.
Now, one last upgrade.
Okay, boss level?
Almost. We add softeners and polite phrases.
Sounds fancy.
It's simple. Instead of "yes," say "of course."
Oh, that sounds confident. Of course.
Good. Instead of "no," say "I don't think so."
That sounds less harsh.
Exactly.
I don't think so.
Perfect. Use these in conversations. For example, "Can you help me?"
Of course.
Nice. Or, "Is this the right way?"
I don't think so.
Good. You're now sounding fluent.
Wait, really?
Yes, because fluency is not big words, it's natural responses.
That's actually true.
Let's take a moment. Look at your progress.
Yeah, from yes to full sentences.
From fear to control.
From silence to speaking.
Exactly.
That feels good.
It should. And to you listening right now, you did this with us.
Yeah, seriously, you didn't just listen. You spoke.
And that's everything. Keep practicing daily, even 5 minutes. Speak out loud. Make mistakes. And keep going. Because one day, That simple yes,
will open a door,
a job,
a conversation,
a new life.
and you'll be ready.
No more freezing.
No more silence.
Just you speaking.
If this helped you,
Don't forget to like the video.
and subscribe to English Wellness.
We're here with you every step.
Always.
Take a deep breath and say it one more time.
Yes, I can.
Now you.
Keep going.
We'll see you in the next one.